Here's what you should do when you can't scroll to zoom in the Photos app on Windows. First up, let's check whether scroll to zoom is enabled in the Photos app. To do that, press the Windows key, type Photos, and click the top result. Then go to Settings, scroll down, and under Mouse Wheel, choose Zoom In or Out from the drop-down menu. Finally, check whether the issue is resolved. If the scroll wheel scrolls through photos instead of zooming in on photos, hold the Control key while scrolling. This force zooms even if the settings are misconfigured. Next, let's repair and reset the Photos app. To do this, press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to Apps in the left pane, then click on Installed Apps. Search for Photos, click the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair. Once the repair is complete, check if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, return to the same menu and click Reset, then confirm when prompted. The reset process will take a few seconds. Again, check for improvements. If nothing has worked so far, let's try a lesser-known built-in repair feature. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to System, and click Recovery on the right. Next to fix problems using Windows Update, click Reinstall Now, tick the checkbox, then click OK. Windows will now reinstall the current OS version with files, apps, and settings intact. When all else fails, try temporarily switching to the legacy Photos app. It's available on the Microsoft Store. Since this is an app-related issue, Microsoft should release a patch soon. Once the update is rolled out, you can install it and switch back to the Photos app. I'll keep an eye out for the patch and drop a comment here once it's released. So check back in a few days for the latest update on the issue. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.